my YouTube channel, Bessus Davis, and I love cars. This is my 1983 728i BMW e23. I've owned this car in 2024 is the 4th year now, and I bought it, I drove it, and parked it. I bought it very cheap. It had transmission oil leaking inside, and it had no brakes, I may say, and then I sorted that out. It was a brake booster, so I had to service the brake booster. So currently the cluster is not working properly. Even the first one, it was not working properly. I just took this one off another one that was being stripped. Now I have to check it out and try to sort it. I still have the original cluster that was here, and I have extra one. It came off 733, I think. So I'll see what to do. Petrol gauge not working, only only temperature and a rev count that works. So I'm gonna try to sort it out. Other than that, I drove this car like for long distances. It's not perfect, but I would park it for almost a year. But when I have to go somewhere longer and I want to use this car, then I would just change oils, filters, plugs, and come back safe. This is the original one that came up. The only issue was that the rev count was not, the issue was the speedo not counting, but the needle was working. So this one came out of the 733, I think. Already I can see the housing, it's different. This is the one that I just took out of the car now. So I'll see if I can take something here to put here. Something must work. I have 3, so something must work. So I'll need to check the speedometer when driving. I have 20 liters of fuel. By the look of things, all these ball joints are kaput. I need to attend it soon. Handbrake is down, but this wheel seems to be binding, so I'm just gonna check brake pads are finished. This one is was lucky I had bought them some time ago. I don't know when, but lucky I have brake pads. I fell in love with e23 in the 90s because my dad owned many of them, even the e12, but I fell in love with the e23 shape, and I was small, but I enjoyed driving that big car. The caliper has seized, so I had to go and source out a used part. I found it and I tested it, and it's working fine. The brake disc, I had to take them for skimming. I'll buy new ones later. So the brake shoes gonna replace as well because I already opened them, and I removed the gearbox. It's at the gearbox specialist. They said they are 4 bushings or 2 bushings that are worn out because it was making noise. Gear 1, 2, 3, but 4 and 5 they were quiet. So, but it had power. They're gonna replace all the bushings. I don't know what these bushings, but hopefully it will come back 100%. I decided also to change the clutch, and the flywheel went in for refurbishing. So in the next episode, maybe I will drive it, I'll see, or I will start stripping it down and panel beating and spray painting. I won't do much. I'll just remove the bearings, door handles, and sort out this fender. I'm gonna take it out, replace it, or maybe cut the one that I have and weld it back. So, or hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you in the next one. For you to support this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. Any suggestion, if I'm faulting somewhere or I'm doing something wrong, do help me, as I am doing this in my backyard. Thank you. Enjoy. My name is Davis Mukom. Ke rekisa dikolo.